Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Sinking fund method. The amount retained by writing off depreciation is invested in a fund known as sinking fund or depreciation fund. The amount written off as depreciation is kept aside and invested in a fund known as sinking fund or depreciation fund. The investments are made in readily sellable securities like government securities. The amount is also reinvested. The interest is also reinvested. After the expiry of life of assets, the securities are sold and new assets are purchased from the sales proceeds. Journal entry are to be passed for sinking fund method. First year depreciation account debit to sinking fund account for provision of depreciation by the installment amount computed from sinking fund table. Then in sinking fund investment account to bank, depreciation amount invested in securities. The next or you can make a combined entry, depreciation account debit to sinking fund, that is depreciation amount invested in securities. Subsequent year entries, bank account debit to interest on sinking fund, interest received on investment. Then interest on sinking fund investment account debit to bank account, interest received transferred to the credit of sinking fund account. For investment of depreciation and interest amount, depreciation account debit to sinking fund account for provision of depreciation. Then sinking fund investment account to bank, annual installment plus interest account invested is transferred to the account. Final year entry on the redemption of security. Bank account debit to interest on sinking fund account, the interest received on investment, and then bank account debit to sinking fund investment, interest, securities redeemed. Any balance debit or credit remaining on sinking fund account, if any, is transferred to profit and loss account. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.